Good morning everyone. My name is Tasha Alia and today I would like to present a journal entitled Unveiling the Futility of Philosophical Critical Thought in the Age of Post-Truth Disorder. This journal discusses the importance of philosophical critical thinking in helping people face the challenge of today's digital and post-truth era. First, I would like to discuss the introduction of the journal. Today, people are exposed to large amounts of information through social media, websites, and online platforms. Although this allows information to be shared quickly, it also creates challenges such as misinformation, fake news, and polarized opinions. As a result, many people find it difficult to distinguish facts from false claims. Therefore, the author argued that philosophical critical thinking is essential because it helps individuals evaluate information carefully and make responsible decisions. Next, I will explain what is philosophical critical thinking. According to the journal, philosophical critical thinking is a discipline from of reasoning that emphasizes logical analysis, argument evaluations, and conceptual clarity. Unlike general critical thinking, it explores deeper questions about truth, knowledge, and values. It encourages individuals to question assumptions, analyze evidence, and consider different perspectives before reaching conclusions. Through this approach, people can develop more rational and well-reasoned judgment instead of relying on emotions or personal beliefs. The next discussions focus on philosophical critical thinking in the digital age. One of the major challenges today is information overload. Every day, people receive a huge amount of information from various digital sources. Because of this, many individuals make quick judgments without taking enough time to reflect. And another challenge is the spread of misinformation and fake news. False information can spread rapidly through social media and influence public opinion. In addition, many people become trapped in echo chambers where they are mostly exposed to opinions that support their existing beliefs. Philosophical critical thinking helps address these problems by encouraging individuals to verify information, evaluate evidence, and remain open to different viewpoints. It teaches people to think carefully before accepting information as truth. The journal also discusses practical applications and benefits of philosophical critical thinking. In education, it helps students to develop reasoning skills and encourage them to think independently. In politics and democracy, it enables citizens to evaluate political arguments more critically and participate responsibly in public discussions. In science and technology, philosophical critical thinking helps address ethical questions related to innovations, and technological development. It also useful in everyday decisions making because it supports better judgment and problem solving. Besides its applications, philosophical critical thinking provides many benefits. It improves rational decision making, strengthens ethical awareness, promotes open-mindedness, encourages creativity, and support effective communications and conflict resolution. These benefits are increasingly important because modern society is becoming more complex and interconnected. Finally, I would like to conclude this presentation. The journal emphasized that philosophical critical thinking is not only an academic concept but also a practical skill that people need in everyday life. By encouraging logical reasoning and ethical awareness, also open-mindedness, philosophical critical thinking helps individuals evaluate information critically and make informed decisions. In a world filled with misinformation and information overload, the ability to think critically has become more important than ever. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day. Goodbye.